Welcome back. In today's class, we will take one important theorem along with the exercise which is related to sum of three angles of a triangle concept. Okay, so the theorem is the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. As I have told it before also, the theorems on which at the end of the theorem there is a square block, only that theorem is in the syllabus. Look at this one. In this theorem, look here, there is a block. Block is over here. I think you can able to see this block. So it means that this theorem is in your syllabus. Proof of this theorem is in your syllabus. Look here. Okay. So let's take the proof of this theorem. In your chapter, the proof of this theorem is in two ways. You can apply any one method, but one out of which one method I am going to take over here. Question is, theorem is rather theorem 6.7, sum of three of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This thing you know it very well, but we have to do the proof of this theorem. So first thing, what is given here? And this theorem is very important also. Okay, proof of this theorem is very important. What is given here? ABC is a triangle. This is given. And what you have to prove? To prove angle A plus B plus C equal 180 degree, or we will name it angle 1, 2 plus 3, or angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal 180 degree. ये हमें prove करना है. Before we will take the proof part of this theorem, we will do the construction. So there is a construction. Construction is from point A. From point A, we will draw one line which is parallel to BC. So draw line L. Draw L parallel BC through point A. So this is the construction that you have to draw the parallel line. Okay. Now let's go for the proof part. It's very easy. Very easy. The proof of this is very easy. Before we will take this step over here, we will name the numbering here 4 and 5. Okay. Since proof part, since L parallel BC by construction, therefore angle 4 equal angle 2. Angle 4 and angle 2 will be equal. What should be the reason? Name it equation 1. Reason is alternate interior angles. Isn't it? Similarly, what else is equal now? Angle 5 equal angle 3. Angle 5 equal angle 3. This is equation 2 and same reason you will write it. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will add these two equations together. Okay, हमने क्या किया? Alternate interior angles equal किए and then we will add 1 and 2 together on both sides. Okay, so after adding it, you will get 4 plus 5 equal 2 plus 3. 4 plus 5 equal 2 plus 3. लेकिन आप अगर क्वेश्चन में देखें जो आपको प्रूव करना है 2 plus 3 plus 1 प्रूव करना है. Okay, तो what we will do? In equation 3, देखो 2 plus 3 is already there according to the question. Now you need angle 1. So what we will do? Add angle 1 on both sides of equation 3. So after adding it, what you will get it? दोनों side आप add करेंगे. You will get 1 plus 2 plus 3. But what do you observe? Angle 1 plus 4 plus 5. 1 plus 4 plus 5. ये क्या है? क्या होगा ये? This is 180 degree. This implies this is 180 degree because the angle in a straight line equal angle 1 plus 2 plus 3. और यही हमें प्रूफ करना है. And at the end, don't forget to write it. Or 180 degree equal angle A plus B plus C. This thing only we have to prove it. It's quite easy. हमने क्या किया? Alternate angles equal रखे and then we will add the angle 1 on both sides. But 4 plus 5 plus 1 equals 180 degree. So instead of that, we will write 180 degree and you will get the result. And this theorem is very important also. Okay. Now, from exercise 6.3, let's take the first question. Question 1, you have to find out PRQ. PRQ. ये निकालना है angle. Given, you can write it yourself. अब this thing is given 135 degree and 110. So can you able to find out this angle 1? Let it be angle 2. इसको हम angle 2 लिख लेते हैं. Angle 2 और angle 2 find out करना है. So can you find out angle 1? Angle 1 110 degree plus angle 1 equal 180 degree. Straight line, linear pair. So angle 1 equal 180 degree minus 110. So it is 70 degree आ गया. Angle 1 is 70 degree. Same way, take this thing as, or you can use the exterior angle property also. Now, 135 degree exterior angle equals to the sum of the interior opposite angle. So 135 degree equal angle 1 plus angle 2. ये आपका angle 1 था. So 135 degree angle 1 70 degree plus angle 2, and from here you can find out angle 2, that is 135 degree minus 70 degree. Okay, so what it will come? 65 degree. So angle 2 you will get it as 65 degree. Is it clear? Come to the question 2. In question 2, it is given you have to find out OZY. OZY. This angle you have to find out, and YOZ. These two angles you have to find out. Okay. And in question 2, it is given. In question 2, these are the bisectors given. ये bisectors हैं. What does it mean bisectors? Bisector means ये equal part में angle को divide कर रहे हैं. These two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. Okay, so bisectors are given. So if this is 54 degree, तो ये angle कितना होगा? What it should be? 27 degree, isn't it? 27 degree. So first we will take whole triangle. In triangle XYZ. आपके पास ये दो एंगल्स दिए हुए हैं. सो कैन वी फाइंड आउट एंगल Z बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. एंगल X plus Y plus Z equal 180 degree. Reason you can write it angles of triangle. Okay, now put the value. X is 62, Y is 54 degree plus Z equal 180 degree. So you will get Z equal 180 degree minus 116 डिग्री, ये आ जाएगा। ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू, अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करें 64 डिग्री, यू विल गेट इट 64 डिग्री। तो z आपके पास 64 डिग्री आ गया, होल z 64 डिग्री। नाउ टू फाइंड आउट दिस z, दिस वैल्यू, ये देखो OZY, what it should be? This implies angle OZY will be half of whole z because it's a bisector. Half of z, half of angle z. So half into 64, that is 32 degree. आपका ये एंगल आ गया 32 डिग्री एंड दिस एंगल इज 27 डिग्री। एंगल बाइसेक्टर है, गिव द रीजन योरसेल्फ एंड हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट O देन? एंगल O और एंगल Y is OZ. नाउ एंगल YOZ इक्वल क्या होगा? दिस प्लस दिस इक्वल 180 डिग्री। सो 180 डिग्री माइनस 27 डिग्री माइनस दिस एंगल, ओनली दिस पार्ट। ये पूरा एंगल हमारे पास निकला था 64 डिग्री, ये पूरा एंगल 64 था, तो ये एंगल कितना हो गया? हाफ ऑफ इट 32 डिग्री। अब आप इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, 180 माइनस 59 डिग्री, इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, यू विल गेट द अदर आंसर। आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू। Okay, now question third. In question third, it is given that these two lines are parallel to each other. ये पैरेलल दिया हुआ है, तो अगर ये पैरेलल है तो ये 35 डिग्री, तो ये दिस इज ऑल्सो 35 डिग्री, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स, तो हमारा ये 35 डिग्री आ गया। आपको प्रूव करना है दिस एंगल DCE, you have to find out this angle DCE. Now take this triangle. By using the angle sum property, you can find out, आपके पास ये 35 डिग्री आ जाएगा, this is 35 डिग्री, and by using the angle sum property, you can find out angle C. Is it clear? Question 6. Question 6 is very important. In this question, again I have written the whole angle with the numbering. So I have taken this as angle 1 and this as angle 2. तो आपको प्रूव करना है according to the numbering, angle 1 equal half angle 2. Okay, so let's go further. One more thing is given that these two are the bisectors. ये bisectors दिए हुए हैं and these two are also angle bisectors. So we will name it as, अगर ये 3 है so you can name it as 4, 5 and 6. So it means angle 3 equal angle 4, angle bisector, and angle 5 equal angle 6. This is also angle bisector. It is given in the question. Come to the to prove part. आपको जो यहाँ पे कॉम्बिनेशन बनाना है एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2 का बनाना है. सो इट्स वेरी इजी टू सॉल्व इट. फ्रॉम हियर देखिए एंगल 6 इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल किस ट्राइंगल का? ऑफ ट्राइंगल TQR. सो इन ट्राइंगल TQR एंगल 6 is the exterior angle. Therefore, now we will use the exterior angle property. Exterior angle equals to the sum of the interior opposite angle. So angle 6 equal, angle 6 किसके equal हुआ? 1 plus 4. Angle 1 plus angle 4. Isn't it? Angle 1 plus angle 4 हो गया. अब आपको क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंगली 1 and 2 you need it. Okay, so क्या 5 plus 6, if we will take triangle PQR, can we use the exterior angle property again? So in triangle PQR, अब देखिए दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल इन ट्राइंगल PQR, ये पूरा एक्सटीरियर एंगल हो गया. ओके, सो इन ट्राइंगल PQR एंगल 5 प्लस एंगल 6 इज द exterior angle. So therefore, exterior angle equal sum of the interior opposite angle. अब यहाँ पे sum क्या हो गया? Opposite angle. एक angle 2 हो गया और ये पूरा angle हो गया. Isn't it? Triangle PQR में. तो sum of the interior opposite angle. Angle 5 plus 6 equal 2 plus 3 plus 4. हमारे पास ये आ गया. अब हम क्या करेंगे? From equation 1, we will put the value of angle angle 6 in equation 2. So, from first and second, we will put the value of angle 6 in equation 2. So, you will get 5. Instead of 6, you will put its value 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus angle 4. You will get this thing. Okay. So, angle 4 and angle 4 will be cancelled out. अब आपके पास क्या बचा? Angle 5 plus angle 1 equal 2 plus 3. अब according to the question आपको 1 and 2 you need it. आपके पास 1 and 2 तो आ रहा है लेकिन 5 and 3 is again coming. 5 and 3 अभी भी आ रहा है. So how will you remove it? 5 की जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Can you tell me? Instead of 5, we can write angle 6 because 5 and 6 are equal. And angle 1, you will keep it as it is, 2 as it is. And instead of 3, we can write angle 4. 4 लिख सकते हैं. Why? Reason is because angle 5 equal angle 6 and angle 3 equal angle 4. Bisector, angle bisectors. हम ये लिख सकते हैं. Now, what should be the next step? अब हम क्या करेंगे? बताइए. Again from equation 1, put the value of angle 6. So, instead of this, you will put its value 1 plus 4. So, 1 plus 4 plus angle 1 equal 2 plus 4. अब देखिए ये cancel हो गया. Isn't it? So, angle 1 plus angle 1 is twice of angle 1 equal twice of angle 2. Now, take this 2 on the other side, 1 equal half angle 2. और हमें देखिए यही प्रूफ करना था. Isn't it? बहुत आसान है. नंबरिंग का गेम है. Geometry is always on the numbers. Okay? Or you can write it angle 1 की जगह you can write it QTR equal half angle QPR. Is it clear? And this question is very important. Question number 6 is very important and theorem 6.7 is also very important. Thank you and have a nice day.